All right, we're going to check out our Sahara Resort room tour in the Marra Towers, room 1903, 2 queen beds. Let's go check it out. Oh, this looks nice. All right, let's check out the beds. All right, yeah, this is nice. 2 queen beds here. Very nice room. All right, like each bed has a nice little bench here. I like it. These beds, you got 2 pillows here, and you got these nice little cushion pillows. I like these nice plush pillows. These are nice. Las Vegas. All right, yeah, this is a nice room here at the Sahara. Look at that chair. Ooh. All right, let's check out these drawers here. Oh, deep drawers, very deep. Look, oh yeah. And then the non-slamming drawers, I like that. Ooh, this is a nice little chair here. Ooh, this purple chair. Ah, yeah, that's a comfortable chair. Oh yeah, I could sit here and watch our view of what we have for a view. I'll show you now. It's a pretty cool view. Mountains and good stuff. So let's check out our view of the room here. Oh yeah, look at that. Marra, 2 queen room, Marra Tower. There's the Strat. There's downtown Vegas, the mountains. This is our view for the next 5 nights. Yeah, this is cool. We're gonna go to that Walgreens in a little bit to stock up on our water. Very nice, very nice. All right, and this is a cool little feature here I found on this little mirror here. If you do this mirror and you hit that button, look at that, lighted mirror. A little streaky, but not too bad. All right, before we go any further in the bathroom, let's check out the bed. And you know what we're looking for here, guys. All right. All right. There's a mattress cover. That's good. All right. Looks clean. I don't see any bugs. That's what we're looking for, guys. Looks clean. Let's check out the other bed too to verification here. But again, look, if they do have a little mattress encasement here, which I really like. Good job. Yeah, really cool room. I like it. Got a little wet bar area here. You know, we got the fridge here. And it's a good thing about Sahara here is you get a fridge where they don't put all the stock stuff in that you have to pay for, so you get an empty fridge. And it's a nice sub-zero fridge. Oh, I can feel that cold coming out already. 38 degrees, I like it. We've got some snack drawers. We got our closet here. All of our stuff we're about to unpack. And lastly, I'm going to show you the bathroom, and that'll be this room tour, Sahara. Oh, I like, again, really nice. I like these lamps here too. Nice reading lamps. Yeah, that's nice. All right, I'm going to show you guys the bathroom, and that'll wrap up this tour, but I really like this room so far. I haven't seen the bathroom, but I want to look at that, and then in the days to come, we'll do a resort tour of the Sahara as well. But again, Marra Tower, Sahara, north side of the strip, but it's on the monorail. Last stop on the monorail, north side of the strip. All right, let's go see the bathroom. All right, we're going into the bathroom here. And what I really like about this bathroom is, so you see the mirror here. This is mirror, but it's also your sliding bathroom door. Kind of like that. Oh yeah, this is a nice bathroom. Good sink. Good amenities here. I like the clean sink. Toilet's nice and clean, good. This shower, guys, this shower looks awesome. I mean, let's open this up and look how the shower opens, that door. It's a cool sliding door open, fully opening door. And then we come in here. Look at that shower head. That's awesome. It's a big shower. I say 6 people can fit in this. 6 people in this shower. That's a good one. Look at all those shower heads. Ooh. It's gonna be nice after a day at the strip on Las Vegas. When you're hot and tired, you get a nice shower. All right, well that's gonna do it for this resort, room tour rather, of the SAHARA Marra Tower. Looks really good. And stay tuned coming days for the resort tour. Thanks guys.